How to transcribe videos on YouTube. Hey guys, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to transcribe videos on YouTube. You can further translate it if you want, but let me just first show you how you can easily do it. First off, open up your web browser and go over to youtube.com, hit enter, and you should be able to get to the YouTube landing page. Now from here, you can open up any video you want. So I'll just go ahead and open a random video here. Now, once you have opened up your video, what you need to do is in order to transcribe the YouTube video, you used to be able to find it right here on the three dots. If you tapped on it, you could find the transcribe button here, but it's no longer there because after the update, you can go to the description section, tap on more, and you can find the transcripts over here. Now, to show the transcripts, you can just tap on this button. It's going to show you the transcripts along with the timestamp of the video as well. Now, if you don't want this timestamp and you just want to copy the transcripts, just tap on the three dots here and then tap on toggle timestamps. It's going to toggle it off and you can easily start copying the entire transcript. Now press copy, and if you wanted to translate, you can just go ahead and search for translate and enter your text. So let's just enter the text here and you should be good to go. So that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.